Hello guys, so I think many of you wanted to see how I draw hair and you wish in my command. So here I am with a tutorial video of how I draw hair. So first of all I'm gonna make sketch. I'm actually planning to stop line art because I feel it kinda bound me, so we'll see about that. And of course we are gonna divide the hair in three parts, the bank side and the back hairs. Time to fill in the base color. I use this muted range of colors, and many people usually use lighter shades of the base for light, but I use a different light color for lightning, which will go good with the base color. Here I'm using this pink color, and I will use this brush and multiply layer and start shading the shadows to give a bit of detailing to the hairs. And yeah, of course I see the hair as a big chunk instead of small strands. Now I will use this brush and draw lighter shadows. As light is coming from here, this part is gonna be a bit darker, and yeah, not the whole that part is gonna be darker. There's gonna be some darker spots, some brighter spots where the light is kind of falling and where the light is not falling at all. Also I need some color variation, so I'm gonna use this blue color in the shadow area. It also give a bit dimension to the hairs. While doing all this, I also keep on decreasing opacity of line art layer. The main important thing is using right colors and putting some color variation in the hair. Also drawing shadows, not in just one but two to three parts. Means one a very dark shadow, and then less darker shadow, and the least darker shadow. And now that we got ourselves a good base with good direction of light and shadows, I will eyedrop this color and just gonna draw some big hair shapes, and then I will use okay, I'll show you. First of all, let me draw the big shapes. These are like hair strands but not exactly. Like you can see, it's like showing the direction of light. I do not know how to explain this to you. You can just see and understand it yourself. And then I will use a dark color and I will outline the hair shapes I just drew. And it's not exactly like outlining the hairs, it's just as light is coming from here, the other end of the hair will be forming a shadow, so we are just drawing that shadow but in a very liney form, if you get what I mean. And I kind of just giving the border to the hair strand we just drew, like to give it more three-dimensional look. Yeah, but yeah, not exactly shadow or line art, just in between. Yeah, I'm very bad at explaining, but anyways. And now everything is almost done. We got our base and it's perfect, but I'm not gonna leave it here. Of course we are gonna give it some finishing touch and going to give some more color variation. Like I'm using a orange tone here and using this orange tone here in the board, like transition of light to dark. And now using some blue color in the shadow part. Especially I usually use blue in the shadow because that's where we are gonna get some reflective lights, and it's usually blue, it looks good. And also gonna use some pink, some blue, some oranges, some green, just giving it more dimensions, more depth, and just a finishing touch. I cannot explain what exactly I'm doing here. Like you can see, just giving more shadows, just defining the hair, like to make it look more clear what's going on in there. And yeah, outlining, you can see now whatever you can take from this. I am really bad at tutorials, and I'm probably gonna stop doing tutorials now. I will just do and draw for fun because it's fun. And if you guys like my art style, you can observe and learn some things. Of course, I'll give some tips here and there, but I will probably stop doing art study and doing tutorials now because that's not my thing and it's not that fun. But yeah, here just I really love putting in so many different colors, using different colors. It just really makes me happy. You can do everything yours, according to your taste, of course. Like it's how I like to do stuff. And yeah, now drawing this small hair strands, I swear this give a very good look to the hair. It gave it more realistic look. Drawing these small strands of hairs, you should probably do it. It really makes the hair so great. And yeah, I will stop talking now because I don't have anything else to say. So yeah guys, here's the final result, and I hope you liked it. I hope you learned something. I hope it was helpful in some ways. I hope you got some tips here and there. I hope yeah, it just helped you guys. And I think this might be the last tutorial I ever made. Maybe I will make some more in future. My mind keeps on changing every time. It's just not stable at all. But for now, maybe for some months, it's the last tutorial, and you'll get some shift in my art style too, of course. And yeah, so that's it. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care. See ya.